Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Origami Hammerhead shark. This model is pretty cool, it's an intermediate level, and the only material you'll need is a square sheet of paper. In this video I'll be using 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Our first step is to fold the paper in half along the diagonals. For the first diagonal, just bring one corner to the opposite one, line it up very well, and make a crease. Unfold it, and now fold the opposite diagonal. This time, leave it folded and rotate the paper to this position. Now pay close attention. On the top layer, we are going to bring the right side down, align it more or less with the bottom edge. Then gently mark the center of this fold on this existing crease. This will give us a small crease to use as a guide. Now fold the bottom edge to meet the mark, the guide. Unfold it. Rotate the paper to this position and unfold everything. Once we have these lines, on each side we have a triangle. Starting with the one on the right side, we need to create two new diagonals here. To do that, bring the top diagonal edge to this vertical crease here. Fold them into the center of the paper. Then do the same with the bottom diagonal edge. Now that we have these two lines, we will use them to close this corner. This creates a flap. Bring this flap up, align it carefully, and crease it well. Then bring it down and crease again. Repeat this on the other side. So just like before, make two diagonals. Then close the corner. First up, and then down. Now rotate the paper and flip it over. Now we are going to fold the right side, but first watch and then repeat. Here you need to fold until you see the beginning of these two tips, these two corners. Once that's done, flip the paper over again and fold the top part down, the blue part in my case. Now, using the horizontal line in the middle as a guide, fold the corner up. Depending on how much you fold the previous step, you might need to fold a little more or less, but if everything is aligned with the middle horizontal line, it will turn out just right. Unfold this, and also unfold the previous step. Now we repeat those steps on the bottom part. And unfold it too. Now, starting at the top, we have this triangular layer. Fold the diagonal edge to the vertical line. After folding, bring this layer to the left. Repeat the same with the bottom part. First, fold the layer, and then move it to the left. Very good! Flip the paper over again. Now in the center part, we are going to fold these two new diagonal lines. To do this, we are going to bring this corner to this point here. Only crease from the center down. Unfold and repeat on the other side. Using these lines, we'll close the tip just like before, creating a new flap. Now, using the existing creases, fold both top and bottom corners. Reinforce very well. Now pay attention again. Starting from the bottom, we are going to fold this new diagonal. First, fold from the left side, where the crease begins. It's important that the corner doesn't go past this horizontal line here, just above. Now at the top, do the same. Here's how it looks so far. And next, we fold this extra corner here. Then we close the paper using the center horizontal line. This will give us this point, which will later become the shark's fin. Fold the bottom part up using the existing crease. Then go to the other side and repeat the same. Unfold those inner flaps. And now we have the shark's body. To create the tail detail, we're going to reverse fold this corner on the right, aligning the crease with the diagonal layers. First, crease both sides. Then close the paper. Now reverse fold up. And then down. We have the tail. For the next detail, fold this tip slightly up and unfold it. Now pay close attention. First, open the paper from the top, just the first layer. Reinforce the crease you've just made. And fold the tail up again. Now fold the extra tip. You'll see that part of the paper opens in the middle. We need to flatten it gently. Then fold down the layer that's left on top. Now we have the shark's tail. For the head, we're going to reverse this middle layer by folding it down. You can fold it less if you want, but I think it looks better if you fold enough so that part doesn't show on top anymore. Now open the front a little and carefully fold this first half up. Unfold. And repeat on the other side. With both creases done, Fold both sides up at the same time. Then fold the top part down. Open the paper just a bit. And done! We have our hammerhead shark. You can add some extra details like opening the front to create a mouth. You can also fold the lower fins to the sides. If you want, you can use a bit of glue to improve the finishing touches. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to follow along. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.